Hello and welcome to Soul Sync Living. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating question. Do crystals actually work? You've probably seen them everywhere, beautiful, sparkling stones promising everything from love to protection. But is there any truth to it, or is it all just wishful thinking? Let's explore the truth behind vibrational healing, where ancient wisdom meets modern science. First, what exactly are crystals from a scientific standpoint? They are minerals formed deep within the earth, with atoms arranged in a highly ordered, repeating geometric pattern called a crystal lattice. This stable structure is key. It means each type of crystal vibrates at a very specific and consistent frequency. Think about quartz. Its reliable vibration is why we use it in watches, radios, and computers to keep precise time and stable frequencies. This is thanks to something called the piezoelectric effect. When you apply pressure to a quartz crystal, it generates a tiny, measurable electric charge. Conversely, when you apply an electric charge to it, it vibrates at an exact frequency. This shows crystals can interact with energy. So the idea that crystals have energetic properties isn't entirely out there. They are, in fact, energy transducers. But how does this translate to healing the human body? Let us be clear. There is no scientific evidence that crystals can directly cure diseases or mend broken bones. If you have a serious health issue, you should always consult a medical professional. Crystals are not a substitute for professional medical treatment. However, that's not the end of the story. The way crystals might work is more subtle and deeply connected to our own minds. This is where we get into the incredible power of the placebo effect. Studies have shown that our beliefs and expectations can create real physiological changes in our bodies. If you believe something will help you feel better, your brain can release natural painkillers like endorphins and reduce stress hormones like cortisol. This isn't about being tricked. It's about your mind's powerful ability to influence your body's healing processes. So when someone holds a crystal and believes it will calm them, that belief itself can trigger a relaxation response. This is further enhanced by the power of intention. When you use a crystal, you're usually engaging in a ritual. You might hold it while meditating, place it in your home with a specific purpose, or carry it as a reminder of a goal. This act of setting an intention focuses your mind. It directs your conscious and subconscious thoughts toward a desired outcome. This focus is a powerful tool for change. It helps you become more mindful of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Modern research on body-mind coherence backs this up. When our thoughts and emotions are aligned, our physiological systems function more harmoniously. Our heart rate variability improves, our nervous system balances, and we enter a state of calm and well-being. So while the crystal itself isn't performing magic, it acts as a tangible anchor tool that helps you tap into your own inner resources. It helps you activate your body's innate capacity for self-regulation and healing. Think of it this way: the crystal doesn't have the power. You do. The crystal is just a key that helps you unlock it. It's a beautiful physical object that reminds you of your intention to be more mindful, calm, or centered. Now let's look at this from a holistic perspective. For thousands of years, cultures all over the world have used crystals for healing and spiritual practices. In these traditions, crystals are seen as tools for grounding our energy and aligning our emotional state. They are thought to work with the body's subtle energy system, often called chakras or meridians. Different stones are traditionally associated with specific energies or qualities. For example, rose quartz, with its gentle pink hue, is often linked to the heart chakra. It's used to cultivate love, compassion, and emotional healing. Holding it can serve as a reminder to open your heart. Then there's amethyst, a beautiful purple crystal. It's associated with the third eye and crown chakras. It's believed to enhance intuition, spiritual awareness, and a sense of calm clarity. People often use it during meditation to quiet the mind. Black tourmaline is another popular one. It's a powerful grounding stone, often used for protection. The idea is that it helps absorb negative energy and shield you from external stress, creating a sense of safety and stability. But here's the most important part of the holistic view. It is not just about the crystal. It's about the combination of the crystal, your intention, and the mindful ritual you create around it. The real magic happens when you integrate these tools into practices that support your well-being. For example, try holding a piece of hematite or smoky quartz while you practice grounding breathwork. Feel its weight in your hand as you imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, anchoring you to the present moment. Or place a piece of selenite on your desk while you journal. Let its clear energy inspire you to write with honesty and clarity. This act combines the symbolic energy of the stone with the therapeutic practice of journaling. You can also use crystals in meditation. Holding a specific stone can help you focus your mind on a particular quality you wish to cultivate. For instance, holding citron for abundance or carnelian for creativity. This transforms your meditation from a passive activity into an active, intentional practice of co-creation. Chakra balancing is another popular way to use crystals. You can lie down and place different stones on the corresponding chakra points on your body. For example, a blue lace agate on your throat for clear communication, or a tiger's eye on your solar plexus for confidence. As you lie there, you can visualize the energy of each stone harmonizing and balancing each energy center. Whether you feel the energy directly or not, the ritual itself is deeply relaxing and helps bring awareness to your body. So in the holistic model, crystals are symbolic anchors. They are physical reminders of our connection to the earth and our own inner world. They bridge the gap between our mind, our body, and our awareness of subtle energy. They don't do the work for you. Instead, they empower you to do the work for yourself. They encourage you to slow down, to be present, and to connect with your own intentions for healing and growth. They invite you into a practice of mindfulness and self-care. So do crystals work? The answer is both yes and no, depending on how you define work. No, they are not a magic pill that will instantly solve all your problems. There's no scientific proof of that. But yes, they can be incredibly powerful tools for supporting your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. They work through the power of belief, the focus of intention, and the mindful rituals you build around them. They work by helping you access the profound healing power that already exists within your own mind and body. So, if you feel drawn to a particular crystal, don't dismiss that feeling. Perhaps your intuition is guiding you toward a tool that can support you on your journey. Pick it up, hold it. Set an intention. See how it makes you feel. The most important thing is not what science says or what anyone else believes. It's your own personal experience. If using a crystal helps you feel more calm, centered, and connected to yourself, then for you, it is working. And that's the only truth that really matters. Thank you for joining me on this exploration today. I hope this brought you some clarity and inspiration. This is Soul Sync Living. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on your journey of well-being. See you next time.